Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm doing Alisha's V8. So we're doing the exhaust today. Show you guys So we're doing the exhaust system front to back. So we just put a 1UZ, so we have to merge this to here. So right now we're doing the exhaust, and then you can see we're finding for the belt because we delete the compressor and what's that? This is the fan pulley, like this is not the water pump. So right now we're getting ready all the car for the big race of Drift Kings. So everything settled. So this car is done, this car also is done. Yeah, so there's another 2 more car we have to do. My car also is almost done, so I can show you all guys my car. Yeah, sick boy. So I just did the front splitter, look nice, look cool. So this is the car, how it looks right now, full black. Yeah, so what do you think? Is it nice? Color nice. So interior is the same. Show you all the engine. Hey. 1UZ. So it's basically everything the same. So exhaust, so a bit like this cover, like small stuff lah. Like the splitter kena, because I did the front splitter, kena the tire when you turn. So just getting ready for race for this coming Saturday and Sunday for Drift King. So one by one car we'll be doing. Yep. So show you. So we have to do this Alteza also, and then got another S15. This is the last car, Salif car. So I have to settle one by one. And then this is maybe spare car. This is the spare car that maybe I'll be using. If the V8 have problem, I will jump into this car. So you all remember this car. Colette Davis also drove this car. It's a 500 plus horsepower car. Yep, 500 plus horsepower car. So let's see what we're doing. So my brother doing the exhaust right now. I'm calculating the belting and everything. So back to work. Okay, so we already done the exhaust. So show you guys, exhaust is done. I don't know what the light. Ow! Oh, so exhaust is done. So to get the LS sound for the 1UZ, so we do a like custom lah. It's like, how to say it, like equal length exhaust lah. I don't know if you all can see. So equal length exhaust. So what I did just now, we just did already do the fan belt for so we don't have compressor and some idling. Then the one we threw it out because the belt is sitting there. So my brother now doing Ben doing the back of the exhaust bracket. We're doing the bracket right now. So this simple one. So the car is done. And later we will start up the car and then see he got the LS sound or not. Okay, come we go test ride. We want to go test my car. Alright, so I'm in the BMW, my car. So we're going for test run. Check everything is okay or not. Start the car. not have to adjust like some noise in the back. So everything is good. I hope this car can last on Drift King. I want to perform like hell so I can beat some of my friends. So I can win first place on Drift King, like how I did in Miri. So let's go and see Alisha's car. Let's hear the sound of her car after doing the exhaust. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are back at the shop. So go and see how Alisha's car sounds like. Okay, so let's go find then have to start the car. Whoop. Ben, now start the car for us. Alright, let's see how it sounds. Is it we have the LS sound or does it sound like a typical 1UZ? Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, start. Got the LS sound, the same sound as mine. So got a little bit issue. We cannot go dyno right now because the alternator is not charging. So it's only 11 volt. So we have to swap out the alternator, or either I'm going to open it up and check is it touching or not, because it's taken quite long time parking, so we don't know anything. So just fix. Then we have to redo the head gasket, get everything on full blast. So just a little bit minor stuff, and then fix back everything. Fix back the whole bumper and everything. It's right here. So the light, everything. So before there was RB20, the cooler, Alisha's car. So you know RB, main is to have conrod. Yeah, my RB is the previous conrod. We changed to V8. Until now we have no problem. Only we have, because have problem, but it's a bit problem. Nothing we cannot settle. Same as this, from RB to V8. So what do you think? Comment. Talk to me. Right. So okay, we are done for today. So BMW is done. My car, so it's parking outside right now. Yeah, it's fully done already. So nothing else to do. Everything is checked. All whatever problem we do. So we do means I do. So it's done. The only thing I like is the front face, yo. The splitter I did. Ooh, damn nice, too beautiful. What do you think about a splitter? Oh damn boy. So boleh kit fully custom lah. One in Malaysia, but in USA a lot lah. USA a lot. So we are done. I'm gonna go back home. I'm tired. So see you guys on the next vlog. I don't know what I'm going to vlog next. So bye bye.